So this triangle of auscultation is very important, because when you auscultate through here, you can hear this the breath sounds quite easily and quite evidently. That is the one reason. For me as a surgeon, I'll always try to find this area, because when I've given a posterior lateral thoracotomy incision, I will pinpoint the triangle of auscultation, put my finger through it, lift the muscle, because when you go under this, no, you can go directly under your latissimus dorsi muscle. So you can see here, I can just lift and my finger will go under the latissimus dorsi, right? So it's easier for me to transact through muscles and then go further, right? So this is your triangle of auscultation.